Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CTRM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very eventful day and a shaky day. A day that, there's some good, but there's also some bad with it, and it'll be very interesting to see how this all plays out now on Friday. And the good here is that it's a good news, bad news situation. That opening 30 minutes, a whole lot of power. Big volume came in, good, solid green candle. That green candle actually got up above that resistance level, that red line there, which I talked about previously. So that's the good news is, okay, this thing can still find power. This thing can still find some momentum. But the bad news is that momentum absolutely fizzled out. And not only did the price drop back below that red line, after it got there, it just went sideways basically the rest of the day, did nothing, volume completely dropped off. Again, that doesn't mean that the game's over or anything like that, but it does suggest that, all right, maybe people are just kind of sick and tired of it and that they've moved on to anything else, because in past, that opening big thing of volume, would have created that much more upside. But here, it just totally fizzled out, rolled back over. So it'll be interesting to see how that dynamic plays out. Now, I could be totally wrong here. Maybe on Friday, this thing blasts right back up above 130 and stays above it. And at that point, that's really changes the landscape of the story quite a bit. But as of now, the level to keep a very close eye on would be that 115 mark, that secondary or that first green line right there. Because if the price does actually come down to that area and then breaks down through it, think about what that would now be telling you. That would be telling you that the price absolutely exploded upwards, but not only did that momentum fizzle out, it actually fizzled out to the point where it went back to where it started and then just continued to go down. Once more, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but that is why, in my mind, that is a very important level to keep an eye on, because that would be kind of confirmation that, yeah, something is definitely not right if all of a sudden the price is now broken down below that area where, technically speaking, the bounce started. So overall, keep your eye on these dynamics, and let's see how it closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.